Baby, you see the size of the bottle?
It hurt my heart and it hurt my soul.
Hi guys, it's Siana B. I know it's been a while, but welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing why I thought it was okay to spend £61.89 on natural hair care products. I know, bizarre, but without further ado, let's get into it. So let me give you guys a bit of back history about my hair. When I was in secondary school, I used to do a bunch of craziness. I would relax my hair and then I would braid it. I would relax my hair and then I would dye it. I've had my hair red, I've had my hair bleached blonde. I would add heat to it. I would just do the utmost. And all while I'm doing this, I'm causing crazy damage to the point where I had traction alopecia. And as you do, you think, oh, it's just hair, we'll grow back. And it grew back. So I would go and do it all over again because, you know, I'm invincible, or so I thought. So anyway, I then decided to go on a natural hair care journey, and I've been natural close to 10 years. But halfway through that journey, I got lazy. For those of you who are natural, you know what it's like with the wash days, the drying, the lotioning, the this, the that, and other, and it just became a chore. So I stopped caring for my hair as much as I should. I would just braid it, put a wig on, put it in some single braids, take it out, do a wash day, throw it in another style. Like, that was just my routine with my hair. And again, it didn't help. It caused my hair a lot more damage to the point that traction alopecia has gone into like stage 2, stage 3, pulling up to the scene with my edges missing kind of traction alopecia. So now I'm starting to take my hair care a lot more seriously. I'm at the point where I want to rock my hair out, but in order to do so, I need to grow it back properly. I can grow my hair, I just don't retain the length. It always seems to just break off. So clearly I'm doing something wrong, and I'm here now trying to rectify all of this damage I've caused over God knows how many years. That being said, I thought, okay, let's do some research, you know, let's take this seriously. Let's find out about the hair's porosity, getting all posh. Let's find out about its density, X, Y, and Z. Come to find out that doing my research, this whole time I've actually been treating my hair wrong. Like, I have low porosity hair, which means that my cuticles are sealed shut. So what other people are doing with their hair is not the same thing that I should be doing with my hair. I find out that my hair is low density, you know, which means my hair is very fine, you know, it's not thick in volume. And so really my strands can't really hold heavy products like most of the people who pop up on my YouTube channel can. Anyway, so I'll find out what I should be using on my hair. You know, I'm feeling good, feeling bossy. I'm ready to take this on. So I'll hop in the vehicle, as you do, popping off to the shops to go buy the products. Now granted, most of the products are American products, just because most of the YouTubers that, you know, I watched were American. But I thought, doesn't matter. I'll grab them anyway. Pull up to the shop now, searching the aisles, and I'm like, yes, that's it. That's the one. Baby, little did I know that these are going to be the most expensive products I have ever bought on this hair care journey. Let me give you the lowdown on the YouTuber that I watched recommended the main choice. Easy on the curls. It is a detangling and hydration shampoo. Now, she said that this shampoo is the bomb diggity bomb. She said it's very good for detangling, and as you know, shampoo usually has your hair just a mess. It dries your hair out, it does the works. So she said that this shampoo won't do that. Fine. It cost me $12.99. Okay, moving on. She then recommended the conditioner. Now, the Ease on the Curls wasn't the exact conditioner that she recommended, but I figured since it's part of the same brand, it's got to be doing the same thing. You know, it says detangling and hydration. That's what my hair needs. It needs to be detangled and it needs to have the hydration in order to grow and retain the length. This cost me $10.99. Can you see the size of the bottle? 8 ounces. My child drinks more than this. Swiftly moving on. She then recommended that I should get the Aunty Jackie's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. She said it has brilliant slip, so it's very easy to comb through and all the rest of it. Now, don't get me wrong, I will definitely buy this again because this is within my normal range. It was $4.99. That's what I usually buy my hair care products at. $4.99, $6.99, bit edge control, maybe $2.99. The rest, bankrupt. I then bought some Camille Rose coconut water. This was $11.99 for a leave-in conditioner. A leave-in conditioner. I then also got the As I Am, because you know, to perform the LCO method. This size tub was £8.49. £8.49.
It hurt my heart and it hurt my soul.
Aside from these products, I did buy stuff like a detangling brush. I bought a raking comb. For the most part, it was the shampoo, the detangling conditioner, all of those stuff were the bulk of that money. I mean, to be fair, looking at the ingredients, you don't see stuff like dimethicone and all of these other things that are really not recommended for your hair. I looked at like the Cantu leave-in conditioners and stuff like that, and I steered clear of it because, you know, there was dimethicone, trimethicone, and all of these other chemicals in there. I'm really trying to resolve my traction alopecia. I have been referred by my GP to a dermatologist, but in the meantime, I'm going to be using clove water, coffee water. I heard those are fantastic. I'm going to be using a derma roller to try and rebuild back the collagen and stuff in the front of my hair. I'm going to try these hair care products. I will definitely come back with a review video to let you know if these are worth it. But if they're not, you will certainly know. So yeah, guys, I'm going to give it a go. I have nothing to lose apart from some more hair. But hey, I'm here to try this on your behalf, so you thank you guys for watching. As always, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.